Hello everyone! It's almost Halloween and I've got around 20 last minute costumes and ideas to get you started. 99% of everything in this video I already owned and are thrifted. Some costumes are super basic and others are a little more elaborate, so let's start easy. The Price is Right contestant. Timeless at this point, write your name on an orange piece of paper with a thick black marker and then draw a tag around it and cut it out. Act very excited. And subscribe to my channel. Animal costumes also always work. A black cat is super simple, just wear all black, optional fur coat, and use a belt to wrap a black tie around for a tail. I also added a collar-like choker, and simple animal makeup was just a pink nose outlined in black with black whiskers. I braided small sections of my hair and clipped them up for ears. I also happen to have bunny ears, and I went cozy with it using sweats, a fuzzy sweater, and slippers. For the tail, I stuffed a pair of socks in the back of my pants and tied a small elastic around it from the outside. And I used the same makeup as the cat. An explorer was pretty easy to do as well. Just wear all khaki, dressed like Steve Irwin. The thing that makes this costume, I think, is the fishing hat and hiking boots, but the binoculars make it even better. If you like frilly skirts, you probably already own this costume. I mean, I did it in 2 colors. For a ballerina costume, I used tights, frilly skirt or tutu, tight-fitting tops, and flats or low-heeled shoes. A tight, slick-back hairstyle puts it all together. Another classic is a Scarecrow. You just need some flannel, a straw hat, and a bandana. I did really simple makeup, an orange triangle nose, outlined in black, and a black stitched smile. A super easy way to pick a costume is to pick a decade because each had a lot of different styles, so let's speed run through a few. 60s mod, 70s flower child, 80s glam rock, and a classic 90s sundress. Cartoon characters are also easy, just Google characters with your current hair color. So I did Belle from the original Beauty and the Beast. It always helps if the character has multiple costumes to choose from as well, but I did the blue dress with the white blouse and apron. I had a basket, but you could also hold a book. Powerpuff Girls, also super easy, and great for a group costume. I did Blossom because she also has long brown hair. You need a tank dress, thick black belt, white tights, and buckle shoes, and Blossom also has a pink hair bow. I had a short black wig, so I also did Tina Belcher from Bob's Burgers. It's a simple costume, light blue t-shirt, short navy skirt, high socks with a red stripe, and canvas sneakers. But you also can't forget the black frame glasses, yellow hair clip, and signature dance moves. Outside of cartoons, you could do a movie character like Georgie from It. It's just a yellow raincoat, jeans, dark rain boots, and instead of a red balloon, I used this cute little red bag my auntie made me. You could also choose an iconic celebrity look, like Britney Spears' Baby One More Time outfit. It's a white collared shirt, burgundy sports bra, black miniskirt, gray cardigan, and knee socks with pink scrunchies and ribbons, and black shoes. And I cannot dance like Britney. Spice Girls are also an easy one because they all had very specific styles. Also makes a great group costume. I did Sporty Spice with Adidas pants and a sports bra, and Posh Spice with a tight black dress and strappy heels. Both had a 90s choker. And for Posh's bob, I just folded my hair under itself and clipped it to look short. Okay, the last few are more open to interpretation. You can really go many ways with these. First, I did a couple medieval themed outfits. I was thinking like Renaissance fair. It's basically just a blouse and a flowy maxi skirt. Try to choose earth tone colors and natural looking fabrics and layer corsets or leather belts and accessories on top. Then I tried a pirate look, but without the hat, I think it looks more like a fortune teller costume. This costume it's all about the accessories. The base is just a flowy black dress, but you could also do a flowy shirt and pants with tall boots, thick belts or corsets at the waist, and then just layer many scarves, necklaces, and charms. Last, I did a witchy look, kind of whimsy goth, kind of modern witch. It's easy, it's cute, and I think the most important part is a black wide brimmed hat, but the black lace necklaces and dark lipstick help too. And I might just wear this for fall. And that is all I have today, but remember, I didn't have to buy anything for this video. So look around at what you have at home and hopefully it sparks some ideas for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know and I will see you next time. Mwah!